You actually can be desperate, attached, depressed, have a low self-concept, and still manifest things just as fast as all of the best master manifestors out there, and I'm here to tell you why in this video. Hi everyone, I hope you're all doing well. Welcome back to my channel. I am your favorite YouTuber. Before we get into the video, you are more than welcome to subscribe. On this channel, I talk about all things law of assumption. So if that sounds good to you, I would love to have you here. If you are manifesting your SP, I highly recommend for you to enroll in my Manifest Your SP course. This is a 14-week course where I take you step by step on a journey to manifesting your SP, loaded with text, affirmations, homework, and video for each week. If you are someone that likes a schedule, if you like everything that I talk about on my YouTube channel laid out for you in clear, simple, chronological steps, invest in yourself today. Click the very first link in the description box down below, or go on RitaKaminski.com and click the Manifest Your SP tab. You are also more than welcome to book one-on-one coaching with me. This is where we have a one-on-one conversation where all of the attention is on you and I listen to your situation and give you a personalized manifestation routine and answer any and all of your questions. The link to book one-on-one coaching will be the second link in the description box down below, or you can go on RitaKaminski.com and click that book now button. If you would like to join collective coaching, click the join now button right next to my name. This is the members only portion of my channel where I upload exclusive videos every week. So you get 4 videos per month. You already get about 40 videos already, a year's worth of members only videos. You can ask me any question. I will either post it anonymously or I will include your username and I will answer it in a video format, and people can and will reply to it, give you help. So it is more of a community-based approach to coaching. I absolutely love everyone in my members only, so come and join the family. We have a Discord server as well, so that will be also the third link. If you cannot find the join button, I know that some people don't even have that as an option. And if members only is completely not available in your country, you can click the 4th link in the description box down below. That is a Patreon link. Now, if you subscribe to that, you will automatically be in the collective coaching family. You will just be getting the videos on another platform, but you'll be getting the same Discord link and it is the exact same thing. Let's look up what law of assumption means on Google. The law of assumption states that by believing the thing you want already exists in your life, you'll manifest it into existence. The law of assumption states that whatever you assume is true becomes your reality. The law of assumption is based on the idea that your imagination creates your reality. So if you imagine your desires, you can manifest them into real life. In any of those definitions, does it say you have to be in a high vibration, you have to be happy, you can't be desperate, you can't be attached, you have to completely detach, let go, and you have to have a high self-concept and you have to affirm 24/7. No, it does not say that. It literally says what you assume to be true in your reality becomes your reality. Fucking period. You have manifested everything in your life up until this point. You may have been desperate, you may have been attached, you may have been depressed or just feeling in a low vibration. You may have had low self-worth, low self-concept, and you still manifested everything that you have in your reality right now. Being sad and knowing that you have your SP in this reality, therefore instantly you get him, has nothing to do with each other. Having a low self-concept and knowing into reality that you are a millionaire, therefore experiencing that in your 3D reality, have nothing to do with each other. Being desperate, crying, throwing up, checking for his texts, while at the same time knowing in your reality you have gotten a text from him, have nothing to do with each other. You can both be depressed and attached and desperate, waiting for his call, and at the same time you can know that you have this phone call right now and it will come, because in nowhere in the law of assumption does it state that by definition, you have to have a high self-concept, you have to be detached, you have to be in a high vibration. Also, why is it that these YouTubers say that you can have one thing and you can't have another thing? Like, you can have a high self-concept, but you don't need to be high vibrational. Do you see how that's pandering to what you want to hear? The fact is that you are limitless. So I don't care if it makes you happy to hear or not. Some of y'all will be happy to hear that robotic affirming is the only thing that works. If you just keep robotic affirming, you're gonna get this thing, which you will. But I am not here to pander to you. I am here to get you your shit. That is my job. And so I'm here to tell you that there is an infinite amount of ways of doing this, including being attached, including being depressed, including having a low self-concept. You are limitless. There is not just one way, and there is no one way that is just straight up not going to work, or there is not one state that you're going to be in that is going to completely halt your manifestation. None of that matters. The only thing that matters is that you know in this reality you have this thing right now. Take with that what you will. I don't want you thinking that because I have a low self-concept, I can't manifest this SP, or because I am so attached. You have all of these YouTube videos that are going so big right now, talking about detachment, detach this, detach that. You don't have to detach. What's essentially happening when you're watching these videos is you are getting more resistance on you. You are, instead of focusing on this manifestation and how in this reality right now you have this person or you have a text from them, you are thinking and manifesting, how do I become detached? So you're going to manifest yourself being detached, but then you're not going to manifest the text because you're putting all of your energy on detachment. I don't want you to feel bad if you are feeling attached or desperate or crying or depressed or anxious or any feeling or thought or state or mental illness that you have. It does not matter. Everyone is equal in this game because we were born to manifest, and we are all manifesting in our lives, whether we like it or not, whether we know it or not, whether we're doing it consciously or unconsciously. By you accepting that you can have a low self-concept and manifest a husband just as well as someone with a high self-concept, you will release that resistance. You will release that desperation of wanting to be someone else or becoming better or thinking there's a hurdle you have to get through. There is no hurdle. You are perfect the way that you are now. Your only job is to know successfully that you have this person right now. You have this text or whatever it is that you're manifesting. And if it is not showing up in your reality, you have not successfully known that into being. So please, instead of focusing on the fact that, oh my God, I'm desperate. Oh my God, I have a low self-concept. Let me work on self-concept a little bit more. Let me work on detachment a little bit more. Let me distract myself a little bit more. Put all of your attention back on this person. Put your attention back onto manifesting a text from them. Know that in this current reality right now, know it into being, you have this text. The reality is that I have manifested a text from Simon. You are not saying this brainlessly, you are saying this with meaning. If you would like more information about knowing it into being, I highly recommend for you to watch this video. When I was manifesting 100,000 subscribers, I was desperate. I was attached. I was checking my subscriber count 10 times a day. I would think about it non-stop until I got it. It was the only thing that I was thinking about. I didn't care to go out with friends. I didn't care about anything else but this thing. And I kept on manifesting it. I was in a very desperate, attached energy, and it worked for me. Because again, it is not like there's a fairy up in the sky or Neville Goddard or your subconscious mind, which is you, by the way. It's not something that's outside of you. No one's sitting up in the sky being like, oh, she's detached enough. Let me give her her manifestation. Oh, she has a high self-concept now. Let me give her her manifestation. No, it doesn't work like that. You just know in this reality right now that you have it, and that's fucking it. With that being said, do I want you to have a high self-concept? Yes. Do I want you to have high vibration? Yes. Do I want you to not be desperate? That's up to interpretation, because like we want our stuff. Like it doesn't matter unless it is effing with your mental health. So my point is that I want you to be happy. I want you to be above the neutral scale. What does that mean? Neutral is in the middle. Then it goes contentment, satisfaction, hopefulness, optimism, positive expectation, relief, enthusiasm, happiness, passion, joy, appreciation, peace. Right under neutral, there's boredom, pessimism. Then we've got frustration, irritation, then doubt, then worry, then blame, then anger, then revenge, then jealousy, then insecurity, and all the way down at the bottom, we have grief, depression, fear, despair, powerlessness. I want you to be neutral and above, and I highly recommend for you to work on that. But that has nothing to do with your manifestations. We are trying to be the best versions of ourselves here. So yeah, you are going to be living your best, happiest life and enjoying your manifestation when you are neutral and above, when you're in a high vibration, and you are going to get more things come to you, and more ideas and more wants and more energy, more opportunities for better things that you aren't even thinking about right now. You will feel limitless. You will feel like you have limitless potentialities, which you do. So yes, I do want you to be in a high vibration. I want you to have self-concept. Of course, I want you to know your worth. But this video is about, I don't want you to feel bad if you're not there. I want you to know that that has nothing to do with how quick you get your manifestation. How quick you get your manifestation is you knowing that you have it right now. And that's it. It's as simple as that. And with that being said, I trust that this video gave you the guidance that you needed. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up because I know you loved it. I hope you have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye everyone.